It is absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? I think you go where that man is and it goes round, yeah, take it wide to end up on this bit.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So that's where they're going, look. You can see him hiking there in the top. Can you see him in the court in that bit where it dips?
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
So those straight down there?
Yeah, take it like wherever. It's lovely.
Bit of a steeper pit, it'd be nicer. Right, let's go then.
We'll go across there and come down.
No, it's just this bit's alright here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Hang on, give me a break. Oh. Ah. We just stopped for 2 minutes. I've got a burn.
Okay.
Oh.
Leave it record.